Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to share with you some new idea about presentation. We can make attractive PDF or PPT instead of making PowerPoint presentation on mobile by using some app. If you want video on it how to make like this presentation, you can comment me. This is an example how to explain presentation for beginners. While seeing PDF, you will get some basic information as well as basic principle of Japanese bullet train. How does it exactly work? So let's start journey of this video. Today I am going to explain about linear induction motor. In this presentation I have covered these points. Introduction, what is linear induction motor, history, principle, construction, working, types of linear induction motor, characteristics, circuit diagram and its application. Have you ever wondered how Japanese bullet train work? Yes, by using linear induction motor. So what is exactly linear induction motor? A motor which gives linear or translatory motion instead of rotational motion is known as linear induction motor. An electrical engineer, Professor Elik Lethweth, worked on first full-size working model in 1940. So he regarded as father of maglev. Maglev means magnetic levitation rail system. Principle of linear induction motor is Faraday's law of electromagnetic induction. Construction, we can see three-phase rotary induction motor. Cut it along line A, B, C. Then we will get this three-phase single-ended linear induction motor. Working of it. Supply voltage and frequency. Current starts flowing through stator winding. Flux creates and speed of flux is synchronous speed. Flux cuts or links with secondary winding, so EMF induces in rotor winding as standstill. When we short circuit it, current starts flowing and interaction of current and flux produces a torque or thrust. Secondary stationary part starts moving. Direction of force is given by Fleming's left hand rule. We can see in diagram flux is downward, current is outward, so by using left hand rule, force is right hand side. Some formulae of linear induction motor. Vs is speed of linear traveling primary field. Vs is equals to 2T F1. F1 is supply frequency in Hertz. T is linear pole pitch in meter. Distance between two poles is known as pole pitch as shown in figure. V is speed of linear induction motor, that is 1 minus S into Vs. Thrust or linear force is given by air gap power divided by speed of linear traveling primary field. To improve the efficiency of linear induction motor, double type configuration is used. As name indicates, double-ended. So there are two primaries are used to improve efficiency. At the ends of primary, reluctance is very high due to air gap, so flux reduces and its effect is thrust reduces. This is known as an effect of linear induction motor. Equivalent circuit diagram as well as characteristics is similar to three-phase rotary induction motor. Thrust at running condition is inversely proportional to slip and thrust at starting condition is directly proportional to slip. There are many applications of linear induction motors like transportation, conveyor system, airport, bagging handling, pumping of liquid model, sliding door. That's all about this limb or linear induction motor. Thank you.